Say hi. Hi, friends. This is Megan, and this is Lorelai, also known as Sis. Huh? I call you Sis. So it is quite a few days after the retreat, and I just haven't really taken the time to clean up my space or put away anything. So I thought maybe I would do a little time-lapse video and add this on to my my retreat video. So my space is pretty messy right now because a lot of stuff I kind of went through and just yeah, we're gonna clean it, but I went through it before my retreat and then just threw everything that I decided not to bring on my desk. And I have quite a small space. So are you gonna help me clean?
We're gonna put some stuff on the bed, then clean it up.
Yeah, then we'll clean it up.
Then get rid of some stuff.
Yeah, we'll have to, either get rid of it or figure out where to put it because I don't have much storage. So, should we get going?
Yeah.
Yeah? You ready? Okay, here we go.
Scared.
You're scared? Don't be scared. You say hi to all my friends. You're a cutie.